In the vast expanse of space, the unimaginable became reality when an otherworldly intruder, Oumuamua, burst into our solar system in October 2017. This enigmatic visitor left scientists and astronomers scratching their heads, sparking a frenzy of speculation. Fast forward to today, and guess who's back? Oumuamua is making a shocking return, and Elon Musk has something to say about it. Brace yourselves, because this isn't your typical space story. But before we go any further, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. But first, let's rewind to October 19th, 2017, a day that made stargazers' dreams come true. Oumuamua's debut appearance was captured by the vigilant Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, the brainchild of the University of Hawaii, backed by NASA's NEOO program. Armed with a camera boasting a staggering 1.4 billion pixels, this telescope keeps an eye on our skies, safeguarding us from potential threats like asteroids and comets. Before Oumuamua's arrival, astronomers had theorized about interstellar objects, but it was all abstract until the real deal showed up. NASA's Thomas Zurbuchen put it best, saying, "Now, for the first time, we have direct evidence they exist." And Oumuamua wasn't just cruising, it was flying at a mind-boggling speed of 25,000 miles per hour, making it faster than any known space object in our solar system. On September 9th, 2017, Oumuamua pulled off a slingshot maneuver past the sun at a blistering 196,000 miles per hour. That's 28.5 thousand feet, or 87.3 kilometers per second. Talk about breaking speed records. As scientists worldwide scrambled to point their telescopes at Oumuamua, they uncovered a treasure trove of peculiarities. Even the ESO's Very Large Telescope in Chile joined the party. SETI Institute astronomers even started hunting for radio signals from this cosmic enigma. Oumuamua, a name with a Hawaiian flair, wasn't born with that moniker. It was astronomers who christened it. And Oumuamua means visitor from afar, quite fitting for something that journeyed a mind-boggling distance to reach our cosmic neighborhood. But what's more captivating is its appearance. Through the lens of powerful telescopes, Oumuamua revealed itself as a peculiar sight. Picture this, a rocky, elongated, cigar-shaped object with a reddish hue. Talk about standing out in the crowd. This cosmic traveler is roughly a quarter of a mile, or 0.4 km in length, which translates to a jaw-dropping 400 miles, 643.7 km long. And if that doesn't pique your curiosity, its elongated shape is about 10 times longer than it is wide. In a galaxy of mostly spherical objects, Oumuamua is the odd one out. Oumuamua's peculiarities don't end there. Not only does it have an unusual shape, but it's also massive, spanning from 800 to 80 yards. That's a whopping 2,600 feet long and 260 feet tall. Oumuamua goes from dazzlingly bright to mysteriously dim every 7.3 hours. It's not just cruising through space, it's tumbling and somersaulting while doing it. But here's the kicker. This tumbling isn't causing it to explode, which is mind-boggling. Why? Well, it's likely because Oumuamua is made of some seriously tough stuff, unlike the fragile snow of typical comets. Oumuamua's got a dark red hue. That's the same shade as some outer solar system moons. And it's got scientists pondering, could it be radiation damage to its organic ice? Or perhaps it's got something to do with iron. Either way, it's a cosmic paint job that's turning heads. But why is all this important? Well, according to Elon Musk, these unique characteristics could hold the key to unlocking the secrets of life in other star systems. That's right. Oumuamua might be our cosmic Rosetta Stone. Now, here's the big question that's been keeping scientists up at night. Where did Oumuamua come from? Initially, they thought it might have hailed from Vega, but recent research has thrown that idea into orbit. Now, the possibilities are endless. Oumuamua could have been on a cosmic journey for billions of years, passing through over 20,000 star systems. Wrap your head around that. It's like a galactic road trip of epic proportions. Astronomers believe this might be Oumuamua's first pit stop in a new star system. It zoomed past our sun at speeds comparable to nearby stars. This thing's been on quite the adventure. Where did Oumuamua originate? To crack this cosmic code, scientists traced its trajectory back before it entered our solar system. Corin Baylor-Jones of the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy took on this monumental task. He compared Oumuamua's path with the positions of a whopping 7 million stars, meticulously tracked by the Gaia spacecraft. It was like searching for a needle in a cosmic haystack. After an exhaustive analysis, 4 candidates emerged as potential origin stars. But picking the true home of Oumuamua? Not so simple. Elon Musk himself chimed in, noting that Oumuamua's path seemed to lead back to a mind-boggling 1-2 Oort cloud, radii, or 100,000 200,000 astronomical units, AU. That's like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack that's light years wide. The encounter velocities with these candidates ranged from 6 to 16 miles per hour, leaving scientists scratching their heads. Some speculate Oumuamua could be a planetesimal, a building block from the dawn of a planet's birth. But even this theory has its mysteries, as such high ejection velocities are a real cosmic head-scratcher. Could Oumuamua be a product of a binary star system? That would explain the speed, but none of the 4 candidates fit that bill. So is there something we're missing here? Time will tell. But there's hope on the horizon. More Gaia data is on the way. This might just be the key to unlocking Oumuamua's true origins. With this data, astronomers can backtrack neighboring stars' motions with even greater accuracy. What type of interstellar object is Oumuamua? Some see it as a harbinger of asteroid doom, while others, like Garrett Levine of Yale University, view it as an icy remnant from distant planet-forming disks, now venturing into our solar system as interstellar debris. It should look like a comet, but Oumuamua defies expectations. Oumuamua doesn't quite fit the traditional description of interstellar debris like we'd expect it to. It's not your run-of-the-mill comet or asteroid, and that's why it's got scientists scratching their heads. Could this peculiar appearance be the reason behind Oumuamua's cosmic mystery? And speaking of mysteries, let's talk about the non-gravitational acceleration that Oumuamua has been flaunting. It's a real head-scratcher because it doesn't fit the bill for an ordinary fragment of a destroyed planet. A recent study, revealed by Sean M. Kirkpatrick, director of the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, aligns with Harvard professor Avi Loeb's theory. They believe Oumuamua is an advanced alien spacecraft capable of overcoming the cosmic challenges it faces. But not everyone's on board with this theory. Some scientists argue that an interstellar space mission is just too far-fetched, especially considering the astronomical distances involved. Oumuamua is receding from our solar system, no longer visible to the naked eye. But fear not, a few dedicated ground-based telescopes are still tracking its course. Elon Musk predicts that it'll enter the Kuiper Belt in 2024, reaching its edge in 2025, and in 2038, it'll pass through the Voyager's most remote points. These experiences are eye-opening for astronomers, encouraging them to look back at missed opportunities and unearth cosmic secrets. Astronomers estimate that similar interstellar objects pass through our inner solar system at least once a year, but they've been tough to spot until now. Thanks to advanced survey telescopes like Pan-STARRS 1, we're better equipped to spot them. As technology advances, future visitors like Oumuamua won't go unnoticed, giving us a shot at unraveling the mystery of alien life.